Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something truly exciting for home entertainment lovers, the JBL Bar 1000. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Let's get into what makes it so special and whether it deserves a spot in your setup. High volume emoji, unboxing and first impressions. Right out of the box, the JBL Bar 1000 makes a bold statement. With its sleek black finish, premium build quality, and a modern design, this system looks as good as it sounds. Included in the box are main soundbar unit, 2 detachable wireless surround speakers, a powerful wireless subwoofer, remote control, HDMI and power cables, wall mounting hardware. The wireless surround speakers magnetically attach to the main bar, which is a clever touch for charging and storage. Musical note emoji, sound quality and performance. This is where the JBL Bar 1000 truly shines. With a 7.1.4 channel setup, including detachable rear speakers and a thundering subwoofer, this soundbar is built for immersive audio experiences. Dolby Atmos and DTS support create a true 3D soundstage. Whether you're watching action films or gaming, you'll feel sounds moving above, around, and behind you. MultiBeam technology fills your room with wide, spatial audio without needing extra wires or ceiling speakers. The subwoofer hits hard, delivering deep bass that adds impact to explosions and rumbling sound effects without distortion. And let's not forget, the detachable speakers are fully wireless, meaning you can place them behind you to experience true surround sound with no hassle. Mobile phone emoji, smart features and connectivity. HDMI eARC, 4K pass-through with Dolby Vision, and multiple HDMI inputs ensure compatibility with all your gear. Built-in Wi-Fi with AirPlay, Alexa multi-room music, and Chromecast allows for seamless streaming. Bluetooth and voice assistant compatibility means you can control music from your phone or smart devices with ease. JBL One app gives you full control, EQ adjustment, and setup guidance. Hammer and wrench emoji, setup and usability. Setup is straightforward, even if you're not a techie. Just plug in, connect via HDMI eARC, and use the app or remote to calibrate the system to your room. JBL's Auto Room Calibration optimizes sound for your space, ensuring everything is fine-tuned for peak performance. White check mark emoji, pros. True 7.1.4 channel surround sound with real rear speakers. Dolby Atmos and DTS support for cinematic immersion. Wireless detachable speakers with excellent battery life. Thumping 10 inches subwoofer. Built-in Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, Chromecast, Alexa MRM. Slick design, great app support, easy to set up. Cross mark emoji, cons. Pricey, premium features come at a cost. Rear speakers need to be charged regularly, though they have solid battery life. No HDMI 2.1 for next-gen gaming features like VRR or 4K 120Hz pass-through. Clapperboard emoji, final verdict, is the JBL Bar 1000 worth it? Absolutely. If you want a cinematic surround sound experience without dealing with a full AV receiver setup, the JBL Bar 1000 is one of the best premium soundbar systems out there. The detachable wireless surround speakers are game-changing, and the combo of Dolby Atmos, DTS, and JBL's MultiBeam tech delivers spine-tingling immersion. Whether you're into movies, games, or music, this system won't disappoint. Star emoji, 9.5, one of the best all-in-one Atmos soundbars in 2025. Speech bubble emoji, have any questions or thoughts about the JBL Bar 1000? Drop them in the comments below. And if you're thinking of upgrading your sound setup, check the link below for the latest deals.